But anyway, people, welcome back to the channel. Your boy here. Yeah, boy. Yeah. What up? Hello. Today we're gonna show you on OBS how to set up a thing. Brain fart. Custom bot names. Custom bot names. We're gonna do a quick and easy one here. So I'm gonna tell you the two different ways you can do this. One with StreamElements and one with StreamLabs. I'm going to tell you right now, StreamLabs, don't do it. You have to pay for it. Not worth it. Whatever. Let's move straight on to the StreamElements version. So, shall we? Post Thomas, zoom out into OBS. I love when I do this. It just looks so good. Okay, you probably actually would have noticed that already because my mouse is here. Shit, I wrecked it. Okay, doesn't matter. So, first off, you want to make sure that you are showing your activity feed. So, you can do that by going up here to StreamElements and then show activity feed right here. This only works if you have downloaded OBS Live. Now, every time you launch OBS, you don't need to launch the OBS Live. You can launch the standard OBS, and this just downloading OBS Live just literally just adds just a few more things, which is literally just this little drop down here. That's it. Don't worry about, do I launch OBS or do I launch OBS Live? And like, will this break? Will that break? Not no break. It's the same thing. It's the same app. What you're actually downloading is just a few little custom plugins to go on top of OBS. It's not like StreamLabs. Anyway, so as you can see here, so this is my activity feed here. I did a stream last night. It was a 24-hour stream, so you can actually see there's quite a lot of time in the difference. But that's not what we're here to look at anyway. We're here to go click on this hamburger menu and click stream settings. Right down here then you have custom bot name. Right now I currently have one. Let's get rid of him for a minute. Now, custom bot name. So now you can set one. So you can make your bot be your own. Or you can make it be StreamElements. Or then you can set a custom bot name, and with that then you're going to want to connect custom bot account. Now to do this you need to make sure that you have another Twitch account that you can log into it with ease and get it all set up. So I'm going to log into my one there now, and the password I don't know it because it's just a random string of characters, and I need to open up a how's everyone's day going? I did a 12-hour stream yesterday, I got 5 hours sleep, and now I'm a cranky bitch. Okay, so then you take a little authentication code, you copy and paste it in here, you press authorize. Okie dokie. With that then, now we can see, so change to the Team Tree TTV is the one I use now, and if we get our chat up here, we can even send a test message. If you want to send a test message. Yeah, Team Tree TTV, there we go, okay. If you ever remove your chat, don't use the chat inside StreamElements. Go into view, go into docs, and use the chat box from there. Because that scared the fucking shit out of me. But yeah, anyway, that is how you can set up a custom bot. And it's so nice and it's so easy. And if you want to know what to do, timers, then all here then are all your different timers. You can just easily add new ones, change how frequently they come, and that is it. And when they show up, they will show up as your custom bot one. Okay, thanks very much. Quick one. Bye. Fuck off.